Righto, ready to go. Girls are dressed. We're at a property off Turner's Flat Road. The girls are going to help us today do some recon for our boys' ride in a couple of weeks' time. Mount Killer Cranky, here we come. Just kidding, just kidding. Yeah. Oh my god, this thing's bloody beautiful, Jill. I don't know why you want to be riding the other one. This thing is light and nimble as. I don't know. It feels good. Whatever power it's got, it's nice.
Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me in when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked black and into bright sand, straight toward the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. Winterland, whisper in my ear, make my troubles all disappear. Way beyond this wicked black, I'll feel the soft sand, right under the warm sun in his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Let me know when I get closer. Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Loud. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer. When I get closer, will I get closer? Will I get closer?
Road to your right, then a road to your left. The one on the right first, it's only a little road, only goes for maybe a couple hundred metres, and then we'll go left. Right, just going past Jules. Now we're going to go, I think it's left up here. Just look at the maps here. Oh, I might. There'll be an intersection, and I think you got to go straight, or it's a little bit to the left. Was it? Okay, yeah, we're still on it then. Yep. Wait a minute. I'll tell you if we're going right. It might have been the one that went left, back there. Okay, yeah, this will be it then. Yep. You got the maps there, Pip? Yep. All right. Keep going that way. Just follow Pip. Going good, girls. It's good trails, isn't it? Yeah. Wanted to come up here for a while and you just don't get to come up this way. Yeah, that's probably good. That's probably a good thing, Jules. You're on the new bike. Look at you. Ride it like you hate it. Yeah, it's good. You. Heck, that's it. Keep going, darling. Cruising. Nice. Good view out there, isn't it? Try and keep an eye on the road. Good view out there, people. Righto. I'll come past in a minute and I'll guide the way. Righto, I'm coming past now. You're right, Dope. You keep going. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. You keep going. You're going good. Righto. This will be the mountaintop that you can see from, no, I said this will be the mountainside that you see from like Maxville, you know, when you're going on the highway. So one of those mountains that are real close to the, yeah. How cool is that?
Could you hear me?
Hey? So is this one of the roads we see when we're on the highway, Pip? Like Maxville and...
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Like, you know...
I've never been.
Oh, there's Maxville there, 25k. No, I've never been here before. Oh, so Kai, look out, see? Things you find, look at that, that's beautiful. So that road, Jules, that we're trying to find runs right up that gully.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which I don't reckon we'll get down on that. So
Well, we can only try.
could be that Jacob's Ladder you were talking about.
No, Jacob's Ladder's further that way, I think. What the? Yeah. So it says steep, that mean down. Yeah, and that's Barraville Hanging Rock. Yeah. Heel clicker, heel clicker. Oh, it sort of goes the same direction. We're just going to go the other ridge. No, that's what I thought. Right, stay behind me. What we're going to do is just going to walk it like this. Yeah. Put your handlebars there. That's alright, just take it easy, just walk it. That's it. Just swing it back a bit, Bo. Go back a bit now. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. And turn your steering wheel. Yeah, turn it. That's it. You're right. You got it. Well done. Righto. There's another one coming up there, so just hang on for a sec. Jules has got those big long legs. Well done, Jules. Yeah, beautifully done, Julie. Nice work. Very nice. Very nice. Like this. No, we haven't been through here at all. That's why I was trying to make this loop, because we wanted to come back from Bellbrook the other way through Hickory Creek and stuff. So I'm a bit waterlogged from this week. No, seriously am. Fucking hell, I've been in the water so much. It's ridiculous. I'm glad it was a ease into the week sort of job. Boys come back on Monday, so I'll be back into it. That's a long way down there. That's a pretty good looking drop, isn't it? Wicked, isn't it? Stuff you find. Did you come out of gear, don't? Hey? Did she have to duck? Alright. Yep. That's good work. That's good clutch control, you know what I mean? Yep. What's that rock? Alright, ready? Just follow me. Get right up your bum. You're going to come over in the bush over here a little bit. Don't get balked by the size of it, it'll just roll straight over it, okay? Got it? Righto, good. Accelerate, lift your legs and push. Give it a rock. Down. Just give it a... Righto, push. Push. Oh, I got it.
Get it off.
Yeah, that's what your clutch is for. Nearly got it. Now you've got no communication there, Pip.
Oh, we can hear each other, but we can't hear you.
That's it. Righto, so we've got a landslide here, so we're going to have to just go along this little ridge line here. Then we're going to duck in a little bit there. Don't look down. Yeah, you'll be right. Just, that's it. Go across there. Don't look down, just keep going this way. Keep going. That's it, get your feet on the pegs. Yeah, go. That's it, you've done well. Yeah. Yeah, you just roll through it, yeah. No worries, that's good. It's a long way down, isn't it, babe? But that's good. Look, don't look, that's good. That's beautiful, Julie.
Winterland, you're my sailing ship. Guide me in when you head for your trip. Right out of this wicked black and into bright sand. Straight toward the warm sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.
How good's this spot we've got? One of Pip's mates has got this property right on the river. This is the Macleay. They go at it. Got our vans down here. Can't wait to go for a swim. Geez, we live in a good place. Awesome, darling. Wasn't it? Very nice. Can't wait to go for a swim. Woo.
Open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper, I will shout. Let me know.
He wants me to go in first because he says there's probably bull sharks up this far.
Get in there, Don. Isn't it, Don?
Yeah, down for a dip.
Going down for a dip, so we've
Got me noodle, happy as Larry.
We've got our noodles. We're heading down for a final swim.
Thanks to friends of friends, loaning us a farm to stay on.
Look at this. Awesome fire last night.
When they turn and you can see the
Bass?
Oh, they're just there now. The 3 or 4 big ones. When they lay on their side, they shine up.
I hope you enjoyed that latest video. Anyway, we're leaving camp. What a beautiful night we've had here at this beautiful, where are we? Somewhere in Turners Creek. We're off
somewhere
the
in
Macleay.
Turners Creek, on a private property. Pretty lucky to have friends with friends.
Yeah, so it was pretty cool. Anyway, got a great riding yesterday. I hope you enjoyed that last bit.
Like and subscribe and get ready because we're about to go away for 6 months round Oz. Catch you there.
Bye.